a little bit before I start the stream. Just kidding, I'm not going to kill you all. Welcome back, everyone. This is Missing Data Bar 7, I believe. Let me close some of the tabs on the other page. Yes, bar 7. And close this page and close that page. And we should start. So, I need to finish some of these, hopefully half of them. And I feel a little bit excited for working today. It's not that bad, it's not that late. Oh, don't save, okay. Yesterday, actually there was a problem in the animation and I just figured out I should fix this one before I start working on this list. Before, when you take the character in here and write an animation name and give all the data and click on play, it does play. But for some reason you must pick it up from the save file and it will play. So why is that? And I discovered that one of my silly fast fixes screw this up. So this is the condition for the play button. The tab master must be the animation master, and if the tab animation is 1, the list tab 3 must be selected. What is list tab 3 is this guy, so I must select an animation. So instead of doing that, let's make a condition different and say temp APA is not equal to null. And I'm not sure if this is the right temp APA, but I believe this is for draw rectangle, point by mouse, view update. Oops. Animation creation. So this is the right temp APA. So let's test that out. This is almost like a random attempt without even reading the code or whatever. So that didn't work. So I don't know where the code was. This is for the timer. Yeah, good luck finding the code from nowhere. And I don't remember where did I put it, but it should be in the view tab somewhere. So let's go to the tab master and then the view tab. This is the game file region. The view tab in here. Yep, it should be here. God. Just to show you how much code does exist in this damn thing. Yep, I can find it. Really, this won't work. Tab master. So there you go. So all of that, just not, I don't reset the stupid thing. So this thing is equal to null anyway. So that wasn't nice. So let's see what does this guy do anyway. It with the current frame 0, and I have timer interval. This is the time between the frames, and it turn on the timer. Funny. I don't think I need the animation thing. So what if I remove this? Actually remove the whole thing. Yeah, you don't like random coding, and I don't like random coding. So what happened in here? Oh, the timer AP is no. This is no good. The funny part is, it used to work. I used to play the animation before I save it, and it was working fine, but the viewer was limited only to this page, and I decoupled the whole system from this page and screwed up the whole thing, and now look at me. Cannot make a fast hack to make it run. It's more complicated than just random crap. So there are several things that I'm really not happy with. Like this one has a leave function, or leave event I mean. Look at that, doesn't exist. What the hell? That making the maximum of this thing change based on this one. If in tab 3. So here, look at this. Alright, fair enough. So this thing should change this one into this one. And yet it doesn't work. It's just like, what the hell? Why it's not working? So let's give it a try. And when I make this 4 and change this, and look at that, it didn't run. It's just like it didn't care. Like, it doesn't want to care. It's just like, I don't care about you. I don't care. It's just like, no, we don't care. I mean, come on. Come on. So why is this? Did I lose the delegate for some reason? So let's make another one. And another one. It might be the C, 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 sorry. For some reason it lost it. Like, what the hell? unless, yeah, maybe I add the delegate up there. I need to find a way to avoid these problems. Now it's working. So hopefully that solved the problem. Not really. Um, Give me a second. Na, 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 Hmm. This one will prevent this one from being null, but this one is not checked. And this is a little bit of an issue because there's no temp APA yet. So let's try to make a temp APA timber somehow by yeah, we need we need to make a check. We need to make several checks. So how can we create a new temp APA? Who is responsible on this? So this is when you select a new temp APA. Why doesn't this guy make a new one? So whenever we select one, we should make a new temp APA, no? Yeah, this is an old code, and as I said, it was working differently. It wasn't depending, the viewer didn't depend on, oh, silly me, I didn't start a timer. Give me a second, as usual. 47 minutes. Before the view thing, play based on these numbers, not the temp ABA. So that's why the whole thing doesn't make any sense. I could be easily say screw it. I don't want the user play anything except when he finished working on it. But that's not correct. A lot of things are bothering me. Just a bother. For example, when I leave those, it doesn't update. Hmm. 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 I don't even use the term temp ABA in here. You see, I don't send the temp ABA and make a clone or whatever. I immediately send the data. So I need to screw up a lot of things. I need to make all these tools change the data of the temporary animation. TIM APA stands for temporary animated particle animation. A weird name, but I'm living with it. So there's two ways to solve the problem. Either if every time I change these variables, I change the variable of the temporary animation, or when I click on play, and yeah. And I believe that's what I'm going to do. What do you think? Which one is easier? Or which one will be more professional? Because this shouldn't interfere with this section. This section has its own daemon code. But changing the values of the temporary animation every time I change one of these boxes will be not a very good idea either. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is make a function that return or change the temporary animation particle. This one. Animation particle animation, if you don't mind. Based on these values. Yeah, this one took me a lot of daemon code or a lot of daemon hours to make the first viewer work smoothly with rectangles. I'm not going to show you in here in this video what all of this code work and how this page work and why this timer and these boxes and everything, but hopefully in the demo video I'll show you the power of the Super Saiyan or something. So let me put the code in here. What should I call it? Yeah, I'll call it TIM APA. And actually I can use this. Why sure you wanna make a new one? I don't know. That will take like new memory every time I click on play. No, I really want to do that. I mean, it's easier, but yeah, yeah. I mean, yeah, maybe, yeah. I mean, I can just copy this code and you know, that's it. But I believe that will make a new object in the memory and get rid of the old object and wait for the collector. You know what's good in memory? Let's do that. I mean, a new animation every time you click on a play and the garbage collector will collect it. So, You know, if the stupid thing jump over 162 megabyte in the memory, I will um, change it. Damn it. Yeah, the animation constructor is a little bit different than adding the animation to that stupid thing, eh? Oh well. Oh wow. This is more annoying than what I expected. Um, Give me a freaking second. I believe what I need is this guy. So, no. I need the speed name. The sprite name is from the character itself. Um, uh, I believe it comes from the animated particle itself. Yeah, I can't select any other. It's kind of weird. Why did I? This will force the system only make animations out of the sprite of the same sprite of the main character. That's mean all animations not related to the same character or weapon must live on the same sprite sheet. Um, this one. Damn it. From where do I get this guy? Um, is it this guy? Yeah, it is this guy. And you too. We need you too. Yeah, we need this guy next. And then false. Alright. Actually, yeah. So, wait a second. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? So whenever I click on play, and we remove this condition, and is it 2 or is it 1? Oh crap, what have we done? Sorry about that. Um, let me cut this and say if and pray that will work. Let's see. Programming take a lot of damn time sometimes, especially when you don't feel that good. Alright. Doesn't do anything. At least this one is moving. Oh wow. Now, do I need to update this to, wait a minute. Why did it update this one? I clicked on play several damn times. So, something went wrong. Alright. And let's go there. What the hell? Is this guy playing games with me? Oh. No. No. I feel hurt in the stomach. So if I say I hate this shit. I really hate why things doesn't work from the first time sometimes. It just not the first time, not the second time, not the third time, not the fourth time, not the fifth 7 million time. It just you need to hammer it till it just I'll be in a fucking good mood. It takes way too long to make this count. So this one is an animation now, which have 4 frames, and it has 4 intervals, and it knows where's the animation, and it knows the width and know the height. Then why the hell is not working? Why the freaking hell is not working? Come on, give me a fucking good reason. Why the hell? It seems since yesterday and I have the timber, eh? Oh well. Where is the stupid updater for the timer? I wonder if my voice is clear while I'm just scrambling like this. Um, there's a guy who's updating the timer stuff. Where is it? Take a deep breath. Alright. Only when the tab animation selected? After I finish this code, I will get 100 billion functions or something. Of course, I will change this one later on to maybe a 204 or whatever. Take a deep breath. Tell me what's wrong. Tell me. Tell me what's wrong. What? Oh, give me a green bug guy. Sure. Take it easy. Because this thing is not selected. Oh god. I'm thinking if I remove this condition, what kind of problems we'll have. And looking at that, we're already updating the stupid thing, so this thing will exist, and hopefully it will have the right data. So hopefully, it won't crash. Lord, forgive me because I'm going to sin. Every time I deal with this viewer, it just gives me the creep. It gives me all the bad times. It gives me all these sour feelings. It's still the width and the height is 0. Like, what the hell? Don't I just update this thing? So this is the source of the problem, at least. We know this is the source of the problem. And this guy apparently is picking the right AP. So for some reason, Tim APA is not correctly updated. Something is annoying me. No, something is annoying me like hell. There is a way to track a variable in C#, and I should learn on these little niche things in the IDE. They're really helpful. I believe this one. So to figure out why this crap is not working correctly. Why does it change? So after the update, it didn't change. Oh, wait a fucking second. This should be... Damn it. This should be a... God. Should be a pointer. Why did I assign it to a new variable and it become a variable? This is dangerous. I need to be careful with this. But hopefully that won't screw it up too much. Hopefully. Either this is not working or just something want to kill me. Wait a minute. Oh, no, it should be working because, oh, the original RF is the issue. Okay, take it easy. Take a deep breath. Alright, I believe I found the problem. It's because my silly coding capabilities are really freaking bad. So yeah, I cannot use those unless if I update, silly me. But this guy didn't update. What the hell? Uh, yeah, I need to update. Alright, 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 take it. Um, because there are some calculation behind the scene to calculate the rectangle. I'll show you that later, but now I just want to fix the problem. Trust me on this one. All of that just to I don't know. This apparently, but that doesn't make a lot of sense, does it? What now? Now this thing doesn't work because oh god. Um, alright, alright, alright. It should not crash as long as this is not what the hell. What the hell? The fucking hell. Take it easy. Why did it print the whole thing? It should. Oh, okay. Because I updated based on the size of the temporary of the animated particle, and I should update it based on the size of these things. At least we are close. At least we know what the hell is going on and why it didn't work. So this thing is yeah. We need to update these manually based on the rectangle. What the hell? Okay, I need to have a deep breath again. Alright. It's kind of funny to say that seriously at the same time not seriously. I need to update it based on the rectangle. And I will show you why in a second. So and this calculation is somewhere in here. So Let me take. Oh, come on, don't do that to me. I'm wasting 60 fucking minutes on this problem. And it's so silly that I don't really need to do all of that just for easy use or whatever. If it's the value, I mean, I want to test the thing without having to save it first. That's the whole problem. And 60 freaking minutes just to do that. Every time I deal with this viewer, it's give me the creep. Alright, this is the one. GUI rectangle tab 3. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that so neat? Thank you. So now we can return to our silly update section. This one. And check our functions. This one. And I give it this. And let's say true. This will print the damn thing on. Yeah, the animation. So now, when I click on play, it should show only one pixel frame. So if I say 32 by 15, it moved the heads only. So if I say 16 by 40, and make it 4. So now we can test the thing without they have the need of saving it in here. Thanks Lord, thanks the Lord, thanks the Lord it worked. So if I made a mistake in here and said 18, oh shit, and click on play, it will crash because it goes outside. Why did it crash? What's the numbers again? There is no 0, what the hell? Take it easy. Divide by 0. What? But this is mod. Mod 0 is accepted, no? I don't know, and I don't care anymore. Because this is not 185, the whole thing. This is 128. I believe it's because larger than 128. So if I say 100 and 40 and I click play, it will work. 127, 4, it worked. 129, yeah. Data integrity, everyone. Data integrity. I never, ever thought I would hit such problem. Thanks God I'm not savvy in math. Not savvy. But I'm really bad in English. I could figure out what the hell's going on. And I never ever thought this will occur. So we need to make a check that it will cancel this. But if we cancel this, yeah, I should, instead of cancel this, make this into Boolean. and we need to make the checks in here. And I need to check all the functions that's calling this, and if it is false, it should return not to play. Even though I really didn't want to do that in the first place because I didn't want to screw it up, but oh well. Now how can I tell that the image size thing? So where is yeah, this one. String? Oh, give me a second. My head is not working anymore, is it? God. Focus a little bit. So this is for the width and this is for the height, and this is the result. So this thing shouldn't be larger than this thing. The funny part is that this thing at number 4 is larger than this thing, and yet it's alright because this one is equal to 1, and now if it is 4 frame, it should equal to 2. See? So this thing is equal to the 240. But this is not the whole issue. Yeah. Anyhow, I will just say and of course it should be the same problem with the Y. No, 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 No. No. Now I'm not sure, eh? Because Y will affect it if you move from here, then all of a sudden jump here. But something is a mess, something is not correct, something I'm not sure of. So if this is 100, then this is 4, um, 50, it's not even playing. Because of this. Did I reverse it? Wait. Yeah, I'm screwing up in here big time, aren't I? I could get the value from the original RF, and it's already trying to learn what the hell does this mean because my head is not working at all. 0. I hate this crap. I should made a notification what each one of them mean. So this is the size, which it should the number I just put on the box, and this is the position. No. What is this? Yeah. Screw me. Screw me. This is really unhealthy. Maybe this is the best time to get a break. I'm just fooling around in here. I'm not working anymore. This is not working. This is not productive. This is... Oh, this is the possible number of boxes that we have if we have this size. Okay. Okay. So, if this is 16, it should be 8. Because there's 8 boxes of the whole thing in here. But if this is 129, that means there's less than 1 box, which is 0. So, which mean oh, sorry. I mean, what's wrong with me? See, if you just need to focus and not throw bullshit everywhere. You need to focus and figure out what the hell's going on. So if you ride this to 100, it shouldn't play. What? Oh, come on. Don't screw me up like this. Because it should return false because the height is... Oh, whatever. As I said, this depends on how many jumps you have. So I need to remove the second one. But let's return and say 48. And if I make this 120, if I make this 200, it shouldn't play because the number is just way too large. if the box go out and it jump 5 times in the drawing, 1, 2, 3, and this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It jumps from here to here. 6, 7, 8. So if you write 5, it will jump here, and if you write 8, it jump here. If you write 9, it go out of the screen. And there's like 16 of the whole thing. So if I say 20, what will happen? Absolutely nothing, eh? So yeah, this is the system and this is how it works. Now it works without the need of clicking on this. Because before, if you click on this, it will work. So I don't need to click on this to make it work. But let's see if I change the data, will it screw up or not? So it seems it's not screwing up. So good, it's not screwing up. God, alright. It's funny, this wasn't in the list in here, but I'm happy it worked out and I didn't lose all my head. So thank you for watching part 7, which is not related to the list, and see you in part 8.